loss of power, excessive oil consumption, or poor fuel economy are signs that it may be time to rebuild the engine in your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Rebuild your engine with an in-frame rebuild kit for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. We only provide new, high-quality parts in our Caterpillar C15 in-frame rebuild kits. Each part follows strict OE specifications and tolerances and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This in-frame kit comes with 6 cylinder kits consisting of liners, O-rings, piston crowns, piston skirts, pins with retainers, and piston ring sets are all included. All the rod, main, and thrust bearings you need to keep your engine's crankshaft moving, and get leak-free satisfaction with new gaskets for your upper engine, oil pan, exhaust manifold assembly, and turbocharger gasket kits included. This in-frame rebuild kit also comes with a thermostat kit to keep your engine at optimum operating temperature. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.